Hi, eighth graders. I am just posting our assignment for this week. I anticipate not posting a second assignment on Wednesday because I think you really only need this one document, and whether you watch more than one thing actually depends on you and your choices. So, first, I would just like to point out the sweet pun on my shirt, which is my weekends are intense. Ah, wordplay. Anywho, here's what we're doing this week. We are continuing research on your topic of choice for your 20% project. I have been really excited to see the research that you're doing so far. I have tried to leave some questions and comments for you on your research to help really just to help give you some idea of how to direct yourself in the future, not to say that you didn't do a good enough job or to say that that's the direction you have to go in. But some really powerful things to do as you continue to research are ask questions about things you're confused about. Now, if there are terms used in your articles that you don't understand, look them up. If there are events mentioned that you don't know about, look them up. Look up the background history of some of your events. Look at what other people are doing so far to address those issues. If there are things that make you go, I wonder what, or I wonder how, or anything like that, track it down, figure out the answer to your question. That is the best way to do research. What we're going to do this week is change it up a little bit. You've read some of you have read two, and some of you have read three articles so far for your projects. This week, your goal is to watch. You are going to watch videos, and generally, we're talking about documentaries. So that's what I'm going to call them for the rest of this video. You're going to watch documentaries about your topic. You're still really going through this question of how can I use the research process to gain more information about my topic for my 20% project? And really, we're focusing on how can you keep your information organized as you do that research? And that's why we have our chart again. So you're going to watch this video. You are doing that right now. And then you are going to search for a video. Obviously, it needs to be school appropriate, or if it's, TVMA or PG-13, your parents need to approve it. This video should be about your topic, and you have two choices. You can either watch one full-length documentary, and what I mean by full length is about an hour long. You may also watch shorter videos, but then you need to watch two or more. Our goal being you are watching about an hour of information total, and you need 6 or more bullet points total from those things. If you are using one documentary, obviously you have 6 bullet points right here in your middle box. If you're using two, you're going to put 3 or more bullet points here, and then you are going to click and either right click to add a row below, or you will click tab and it will automatically add another row for you. So how do you find a video that is relevant to your topic? Now, if you have Netflix, HBO, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, you already have access to a lot of really good quality full-length documentaries. If you don't, though, you definitely can still find a lot on YouTube. So here's what we're going to do. Let's say that my topic is poverty. I know a lot of us are doing topics that are either specifically or related to poverty, meaning homelessness, youth poverty, global poverty. So if I go to Google and I just type documentaries about poverty, this is what I get. Now, this is giving me kind of a variety of sources. I may not be able to access all of these. It depends on the licensing. If you see something up here and you click it, okay, now I've opened that. Now I'm seeing on YouTube, I can watch the whole thing. On PBS, I could watch the whole thing. If you see that and you want to look up Wikipedia extra information about it, great. If you see, oh my gosh, there's a New York Times article about that documentary, that might be a really great additional thing to look at. Now, you may be able to find some of these on Netflix, but maybe not. So if you click on a different one, okay, I'm seeing this is on Film Now on Daily Motion. I'm not sure if I'll be able to watch it, but I can check. I can check Vimeo. If not, maybe I look at Prime on Amazon. If you are finding really good things and you can't watch them, then you just need to be resourceful, or you need to find something different to watch. Another way that you can look at videos is documentaries. Let's say I'm still looking at poverty, and you click specifically the videos section. Now, you can watch any of these documentaries that look like they're coming from reasonable sources. Okay, so as long as they are associated with an organization, not just a random person, then you're on track. Let's say that I wanted to look up documentaries about stress. One Nation Under Stress. I know, for example, that this is on Netflix, or it was at least recently. The Race to Nowhere. Gosh, I don't know if that one is anywhere. It looks like they have their own website, so maybe I could check that out. Again, I'm seeing a trailer. I'm seeing, oh, there's one that you could pay for, but I don't know if I want to do that. You could check Vimeo here. Again, you might also be able to find other websites that comment on or build on those documentaries. And those are really, really powerful to get other people's perspectives about the thing that you are reading or watching. So if you are struggling to find things, again, just start off with documentaries about your topic. Try to be very specific about your topic too. If you want, you can go directly through Netflix or Hulu or Disney Plus, HBO, Amazon Prime. If you have cable, I don't know, you might have access to on-demand things. And then as you watch, I would recommend that you be prepared to pause a few times so that you can write down details. Now, you may not be able to copy and paste quotes directly because you may not be able to hear it fast enough and type it. So you may end up getting just specific bullet points. That's fine, as long as it is very clear from your documentary. And then again, of course, commenting on it. I saw last week a few people commenting by just restating the quote, and that's not very helpful or useful to your project. What you really need to do is say, who cares? Why does it matter? What do you infer? How does it connect to other things you've learned? How does it connect to what you see in the world? What questions does it spark for you? That is commentary that's actually useful for creating a good presentation later. If you want, you can watch multiple full-length documentaries. They are really, really great. You'll notice as you watch documentaries, they're structured very similarly to paragraphs or to essays, where their claims are right at the beginning and right at the end. They're usually organized by point or by topic sentence. There's a lot of different evidence. There are experts cited. So my last suggestion for you is, if you are citing any people from the documentary, make sure you write down why they're an expert. Like, what is their job title? Who is this person? Why do we care about their opinion? And of course, if you need anything, please let me know. I am not going to host office hours this week because I am going to be traveling with my parents, helping them move to North Carolina. Super pumped. With that in mind, you are allowed to join Mr. Tyne or Miss Walford's office hours. Their information is here at the bottom of your document. Miss Walford has office hours Tuesday and Thursday, and Mr. Tyne has office hours just on Thursdays. So if you need anything, please feel free to join their office hours. You can send me an email. I will still be reading your work, commenting on it, grading it, and I, of course, can still answer emails. It just will be at night or early in the morning. So let me know if you need anything. I'm really looking forward to how your projects continue to grow, and have a great week.